We are nature. We are Busan. We are energetic. We are eco-friendly. We are Busan.
그리고 아미 항상 생각하고 있다는 거 잊지 말아주시고 오늘 좋은 밤 되시고 좋은 하루 되십시오. 네, 감사합니다. 바이. 안녕.
정국? Ami?
Sunt extrem de importante aceste detalii să devin mediat intervine și organizația Națiunilor Unite în această chestiune și vine cu un avertisment în ceea ce privește fâșia Gaza. Spuneam însă că președintele Turciei a criticat Statele Unite, pe de altă parte vine și o reacție din partea lui Vladimir.
This is the sweetest thing ever. One of my colleagues from work went on holiday in Bali and she got me this from there. That's so sweet. This is like a fridge magnet with a cute white monkey. That's so cute. And these are like essential oils, and you basically stick something here and then put these sticks in there, and they're like natural, like scented sticks, like the ones you get from like home decor stores and stuff. So it's so cute. With it says frangipani, but isn't it frangipani? I'm really curious how they I was about to say how they taste. I'm really curious on how they smell like. I don't want to open them because if I pierce a hole through them, I have no like cap to put back, so I don't know what to do. I'm so thankful. That's so cute. Oh.
I get headaches pretty often, but I get so many types, if that makes sense. I know they're different. I know sometimes what I know when, let's say, I get a headache because I didn't eat for several hours, I see, but I get no time for.
I went to McDonald's because a friend told me that they have Pokemon cards. It's been so long since I got a Happy Meal, and I had to have it. Like, Pikachu! How cute is that? And you had to like get the ears from here and put them there. That's so adorable! And I'm so happy I got Pikachu! So cute! Funny story, at first when I asked for 2 Happy Meals, the guy at the cashier asked me if I have any like specific toy I want, and I told him there's no issue with that. I don't have any specific toy I want. But when he was about to pack the Happy Meals, there are like 3 different packs, boxes like this. So there's another one in the series. And he was like, should I put the same toy in? I immediately cut him off and I was like, no. And then he goes, well, I thought I should put the same toy so that the kids won't fight, that they have different toys. I was about to burst into laugh because yeah, I know there are 2 Happy Meals, but they're both for me. There are no kids involved in this. I am the kid. So it was so funny. I could barely hold the laugh in. Like, no. They're both for me. I don't really care about the food right now. I just care about the Pokemon cards. And I'm so happy I got Pika. Oh, I'm reliving my childhood. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so emotional right now. This is the schedule when they're technically on a break as a group, but we ain't got no break as fans. As ARMY, we ain't got no break. Jimin's about to release his documentary. Jungkook is about to release his first album. But there's also his collab with Kid Laroi. Give us a moment to breathe, guys, please. I just have to write down here because it's just been officially announced that he will be performing at European Music Awards. That's on the 5th for us, but on the 6th in like Korean Standard Time. Jungkook is gonna perform in Europe. Oh my god, I'm so happy. As a European ARMY, I'm so happy he's gonna be in my continent. Oh, let's cross this out, because you've just seen, it's just been released. Let me see. Whee! Done. And I put here EMAs. Yay!